President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. orders the immediate provision of all necessary assistance to the families of those who died in the tragic incident at the Lapu-Lapu Festival in Vancouver, Canada. The palace says 11 people were confirmed dead, including a 5-year-old child and a 65-year-old senior citizen, after a vehicle plowed through festival goers on Saturday night. The Chief Executive and First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos earlier extended their heartfelt condolences to the victims and their families. The President also assured that the public that the Philippine Consulate is closely coordinating with Canadian authorities to gather information and monitor the ongoing investigation on the incident.
Pilipino, minadali po agad na matulungan, ibigay po ang lahat na maaaring maitulong, lahat ng koneksyon para sa mga Pilipino po natin na nadamay po dito sa trahedya po sa Vancouver.